I'm Tucker, and this is Breezy. Join us as we travel across the country in my homemade camper. All right, so last night was definitely the coldest night of the trip. Check this out. It snowed everywhere. Oh my God, there's gotta be at least an inch or two of snow on the ground. Oh man, it's beautiful out here though. Wow. I know it was cold, not that cold. Come on. This is Breezy's first time seeing snow. What do you think? What do you think of this stuff? It's freaking cold, isn't it? It had to be below freezing in the camper. I felt great underneath the blankets, but I could see my breath. And I know it was cold in here because Breezy's water dish is like slushy ice. And that was like inside at the bottom of the bed. Look at this. Look at all this snow. What do you think of this white stuff, huh? So I guess that means the Grand Canyon's gonna be covered with snow, which could be kind of cool. Glad I didn't go further down this dirt road. I don't know how this thing's gonna handle in the snow, but I guess we're about to find out. Not a big fan of the snow. This dog, look at her poor little legs shivering. She's so cold. This is a warm weather doggy. She's got her little puffy jacket on. I'm gonna wrap her up in some blankets. I got the heat running. My truck started in the cold. That was something I was worried about. But yeah, check this out. Probably snowed like almost 2 inches, I'd say. Anyone that was wondering, the dog slept with me in the bed, under the blankets, spooning. She's got like her own plush blanket, so she had even more warmth than I did. She was fine. She just didn't like walking around in the snow. She just stared at me and started shivering, so I put her in the truck and cranked the heat full blast. And I was a little worried about getting out of that spot because it was like a bumpy dirt road, but everything's fine. Got out of there. I'm driving down the street, getting ready to hop on the interstate, and I'm about 45 minutes to an hour from the Grand Canyon, so this should be really cool. The whole Grand Canyon is like snow-capped. Just entered the Grand Canyon National Park. I've already seen a couple of deer, a coyote, an elk. All right, just got out of the truck. It's gonna be my first view of the Grand Canyon. Check it out. Whoa! Holy crap. Oh my God. God, what an awesome day. Just now kind of packing up to leave the Grand Canyon. Spent about 6 or 7 hours here just exploring all the overlooks and hiking around with Breezy, and the pictures and the video of this place don't do it any justice. I know people say that about a lot of things, but the first view that I got when I just got out of the parking lot and walked up over that little hill, and you see the expanse and this giant multicolored rock system, it's just amazing. It almost like took my breath away. I'm a little bit afraid of heights, and standing on the edge of that cliff that goes a mile down and just spreads out in every direction, it's a little bit intimidating, but it's just amazing. It's one of those things that it's just, nature is just amazing. So the next plan is to start heading towards California, see if I can make it the whole way across the country. A lot of haters out there said I would never do this, said I couldn't do it, my truck couldn't make it. So I can't wait to prove everyone wrong. Can't wait to get to California, hang out with my buddy Nick, go surfing for a couple days. It's supposed to be a good swell starting tomorrow. So I'm gonna drive like 3 or 4 hours tonight. I found a really cool camp spot. I'm gonna try to make it there, and then have like a 2.5 to 3 hour drive to like the Huntington Beach area and go surf tomorrow. Made it to California. I ended up staying in the Mojave Desert last night. Down this crazy like dirt road trail. I got here at like, what, 9, 10 o'clock. It was like a beautiful full moon last night, and the whole desert was all lit up. You could see a bunch of stars. The plan for today is I'm gonna go hike around these boulders a little bit. And then I'm gonna drive to California, meet up with my friend Nick, and go surfing. Yeah,